Introducing the Merkle internal latch locks PT series for two-stage top-last ejection. Let's explore the PT series latch lock construction. Take a closer look at the main components: the retainer, the latch body, and the fixed latch bar. Here, observe how the latch bar remains fixed, while both the latch body and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. During the initial stroke S1, the latch body and retainer move together. After S1, the latch bar releases the latch body to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The latch bar is mounted on the fixed bottom clamp plate. The retainer is mounted on the bottom ejector plate. And the latch body is mounted on the top ejector plate. Here's the mold base in action. As the parting line opens, the stage is set for ejection. Initially, both ejector plates move together for the first stroke, S1, allowing the lifters to release the undercuts. Then, in the second stage, the top ejector plate continues independently to complete the final stroke and eject the part. Here's a close-up view of the latch lock in action. Notice how it holds both ejector plates together during the first stroke. Then, the latch bar releases the latch body, allowing the top ejector plate to complete the final stroke independently.